is Rick Mitchell. We've got some rain on the way. It won't impact us this evening, but we will likely see some rain arriving near sunrise tomorrow. Tomorrow looks like a wet, cold day. Temperatures are going to have a tough time even getting out of the 30s. The rain will end tomorrow evening, then dry, not as cold on Wednesday, and then we'll get another shot at some showers later in the week. Not necessarily a washout, but rain chances will go up by Friday and Saturday. Overnight low temperatures, lower to mid-30s. The air is very dry, so once it starts to rain into that dry air, there'll be evaporation, and that will help pull temperatures down a bit. And then with the rain, most of the day will be spent in the 30s. We got 40 for a high temperature tomorrow. We'll be lucky to hit 40, I do believe. Here's Futurecast, 7 o'clock Tuesday morning. See how the rain has developed and lifted off.
Okay, this is the 18th. That's today. Monday, the 18th. Okay, I'm going to play the forward, so it'll be day by day. 19th, 20th, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, March 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. And we're back to the 18th today. And here's how it looks on this map. And it looks like there's a right here. This is the dip in the polar vortex right here. See this? Coming off the coast of Mexico, down and back up, right over Hawaii. It's the loop of the vortex coming down. Here's how it looks right here. I can't point to it or it'll zoom in, but it's right there. You can see it looping down into the South Pacific right there. And here it is looping down to the South Pacific. The polar vortex is right here. And here's the global map. And it's showing right here, here's the loop and the polar vortex coming down. It's swooping really down low this time right now. And here's where it's the coldest air, that I can find is right here. So I don't know if this is it or this is it. But it looks like this has been affected by it. It's probably here now. It just, as the Earth turns, it goes, I guess it goes over here. It's the coldest air is here. And this is the after effects after the polar vortex came down and it started rotating to the east. This is where it is right now. And I'll play the footage forward here. Usually it takes it a minute to start. Well, it's kind of froze up, but it's froze up right now. I can't get it to play. Alright, there it goes. Doesn't have much to show, but see it turning dark blue? That's dark blue is the coldest air on the map. So here's the polar vortex. Here's where it currently is, going back up, and going back up towards the North Pole, where it's supposed to be. Oh yeah, I was going to zoom in for you. I'll zoom in. See, and it's going up right up here towards the Aleutian Islands. And we've had a lot of activity, earthquakes and volcanoes over here in the Aleutian Islands in the past couple of years. And this may be why. I don't know. It seems to be more extreme. Now it should be We have had snow in Maui, right here, lately. It's in the crosshairs between the polar vortex and where it rotates to afterwards. From this website, I got some information here. I'll put the link in the description box. But here's a map from this website showing the contrast in the cold air over Siberia here, and then over to the left of it. This is Scandinavia, North Sea over Scandinavia. Has a contrast of 10 degrees warmer and some of the warmest water, and this is some of the coldest water, right next door to each other. And that's an anomaly that they're studying. And here's another off the same website. You can go and look at yourself. I'll give you the link, showing the high temperature in the middle, where the North Pole used to be, and now the coldest air is around it in blue. The colder air is in blue. Over time, showing it over several days. Here's another analysis of the same website. And this is for today, February 18th. And it shows the polar vortex split into two. One over the United States and one over Siberia. And this is a earthquake tsunami map that was from 2014, showing this area having a lot of activity and, earthquakes and stuff like that.